Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your earbuds TCL are charging? And firstly, we can connect them to the power. At the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port, so we can use an adapter and USB-C cable to connect them to the power, or USB-C to USB-C to charge it from your phone, or USB-A to USB-C to charge it from your PC, or another device with USB-A port. Or we can use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging. So, after we connect them to the power, on the front side, at the charging case, we have this LED light, meaning that your charging case are charging. If you want to check if your earbuds are charging, you need to check how much battery level you have. You can use the widget on iOS or control panel at Android, or you can go to the settings in Android and check it. After that, put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case, and after, let's say, 10 minutes, remove your earbuds from the case and check is the battery level changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.